Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off Auto OCR in your Adobe Acrobat Pro in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, open the Acrobat Reader itself. Open up your PDF file if you wish to. Just need to go to Menu, click over here at the top left, go to Preferences, and over here on the left panel, make sure to select Reading and then Page versus Documents. S- Click on it to reveal more options and select Do not read the documents. Then just simply press OK, close everything, restart the Adobe launcher. I just close everything and reopen it. And once you're back, everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. For most users out there in Reddit, this method works perfectly for them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.